Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to walk you through how to get started with Velo by Wix. Wix's powerful tool for adding custom code and unlocking new possibilities on your website. Whether you're looking to add custom interactions, automate actions, or simply want to dip your toes into web development without leaving the comfort of the Wix editor, this tutorial has got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find Velo, how to activate dev mode, and how to start coding on any element you choose. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your Wix web design. This is your regular Wix editor, just like you're used to. If you haven't already, log into your Wix account and select the site you want to work on. I know sometimes we all get that nervous feeling when introducing something new into our workflow, but I promise using Velo doesn't mean you need to be a coding expert. Just having a bit of curiosity goes a long way here. Now, if you're wondering how to actually use Velo within Wix, here's where the magic happens. At the very top of your Wix editor, you'll see an option labeled Dev Mode. It's easy to miss if you're not looking for it, but this is your gateway into the world of site customization. Go ahead and click on Dev Mode. If it's your first time, Wix might show you a brief introduction or a confirmation pop-up explaining what Dev Mode does. Don't worry, you can read through that, but it's perfectly safe to proceed. Once you've clicked, you'll get the option to turn on Dev Mode. Flip that switch, and you'll see a few new panels and menus pop up along your editor interface. This is totally normal. Dev Mode opens up a suite of tools designed specifically for adding custom JavaScript code to your site and manipulating elements beyond the default drag-and-drop options. If things look a bit intimidating, take a deep breath and remember, you're in control, and you can turn Dev Mode off at any time if you want to go back to basics. With Dev Mode enabled, now comes the fun part. You get to select any element on your page, like buttons, text boxes, images, or even input fields, and start applying your own custom coding. Just click on the element you want to work with. For example, let's say you have a button that you want to trigger a special animation or a custom alert when clicked. Select the button, and you'll see a new panel where you can write and attach your own code. It's as easy as selecting the object, choosing your action, and writing the desired code. If you're new to coding, don't be afraid to experiment. Wix includes plenty of sample code snippets and documentation right in the editor, so you can copy and adapt things as you go. And if at any moment you feel unsure or your code isn't behaving as expected, take a moment to check for typos or review Wix's help articles. Troubleshooting is part of the learning process, and you'll get it with a little patience. And honestly, that's really it. Once Dev Mode is on and you've selected an element, you're free to customize your Wix site to your heart's content. Just remember, every change you make can be saved, previewed, and adjusted before you hit publish, so you're never risking your live site. I hope this walkthrough has helped demystify Velo by Wix and made you feel confident about getting started with Dev Mode. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and drop any questions you have in the comments below. I love helping out and chatting with the community. And if you're hungry for more web design tips or beginner-friendly coding tutorials, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.